Bodhan is invocation. So Akal Bodhan was done by Rama, and we follow that tradition of Rama of Akal Bodhan still. And if you know that Rama was came from the area where in Bihar somewhere, but at that point of time Bihar, Bengal, Orissa, they were all together. These state demarcations were not there. So Akal Bodhan started from there. The tradition started of Sharad Navratri from there. Otherwise, we have a Chaitra Navratri. We do all
Vasant Navratri.
Vasant Navratri in the spring, or we can call it the spring Navratri. And there is a Ram Navami there also, where Ram was born actually at that time. So in that time of spring, Ram was born, and in this time of autumn, he invoked the goddess to come and bless him to conquer Ravan.
There is a reason for that. Why he invoked her? Because from after the monsoon is over, from Savan, from Sharad, from Hemant, the gods apparently they go off to sleep, right? So obviously he had to invoke, and they wake up in Uttarayan when the end of winter happens in January and February. So that is why Ram, he was told by his guru Vishwamitra that to win over Ravana, he has to invoke a goddess, a power goddess, Shakti or Ma Durga. Then he realized that, oh, I can't do the worship at this time because we are all sleeping. So then he was given this whole, education on how to invoke a goddess or a god on an untimely time. So then he got 800